Why does my fuel pump on 345 John Deere lawn tractor not pumping fuel? Pump has been replaced. Plunger pin has been replaced. Fuel filter has been replaced.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you.
I need help.
Have you tested the pump by using a test line from the pump suction side into a fuel container?
Yes, it has suction.
If there is a suction leak anywhere before the pump will not work.
I have not seen a leak in the fuel lines. Is there anywhere other than that it can be leaking?
If it has suction, pump is good, and problem has to be in the suction tubes from tank to the pump. You will not see a suction leak. It will only leak on the pressure side after the pump.
I know it won't draw fuel at all, not even to the filter. From the pump to the carb?
Take test line from pump into a separate fuel container and see if engine runs.
Okay. I'll try that. Just drop the line into a gas can? Straight to the pump?
Full size image. Yes, just drop hose into a fuel can. See #XXXXX the suction tube in tank? This is place that causes lots of problems.
I'll give it a try. How hard is it to replace the tube in the tank?
There is just enough room if you pry up on tank to slip it out, without removing the tank.
The suction tube goes into the bottom of the tank on the 345. As far as I can tell.
The picture is right out of Deere parts manual.
I'll check again.
Okay.
Thanks. Is there an O-ring that may be bad on the suction tube?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.